Okay, something else really exciting has happened this week because we have finally launched our very own school radio station, Groove Road Radio, with the help of Mr. Morland leading the team of digital leaders, and of course thanks to the incredible efforts of Friends of Grove Road and the fundraising that we did last year. It has seemed like a long time in the making because of all the things that have happened, but thanks to Friends of Grove Road, thanks to Mr. Frost for creating our professional studio, and to Mr. Morland and our digital leaders, we are now up and running and going out live every day to the world. So to tell us all about it and share how it is working, we're going to now go to Mr. Morland and our digital leaders.
Thanks, Mr. Parkhouse. And yeah, as you can see, I'm here outside the Grove Road Radio studio. It looks as though the mic live light is not on, so it's probably safe for me to head in and see what is going on inside the studio. We'll do that right now.
This next shout out is from Bobby in Surge's Handy class to Izzy in Taylor class. Missing you at home today, Izzy. Hope you get on the Smiley Sun. See you tonight. And this next song is for my mum. This is Someone You Loved by Lewis Capaldi.
So Olivia, could you just show us around what's going on here on the studio?
Yeah, of course I can. This is where we store all of our songs and jingles. And this is where we control the microphones and the speakers. And then this is where we can see that it's going out onto the internet.
Fantastic, sounds really interesting. And how have you found it for this first? You've done 3 days now. How have you found the experience?
It's one of the best experiences ever.
So, boogieing away at the music there, boys. Who else can be listening into our station then?
Well, you can listen anywhere in the world. Australia, New Zealand, China, Japan, anywhere.
All you have to do is go to our Groove Road Radio website on the internet. All you need is Wi-Fi connection and the internet, of course.
Fantastic. And how have you found the first 3 days? It must have been pretty nerve-wracking, was it?
Brilliant. Yeah, it's fantastic.
So Elsie, could you just explain to us what else is going to be happening on Groove Road Radio?
So next week we're going to be doing podcasts, and we're also going to be going around school and seeing people's work and showing you that.
And what made you want to be part of the team here?
I really want to become part of the team because I love music and I like trying to program things like that.
So there you go, a quick glimpse behind the scenes of the very new Groove Road Radio, which I hope you'll be tuning into soon, and we're looking forward to getting as many of you as possible down here into the studio soon to record your work. So, a final word from our digital leaders.
Tune in to Groove Road Radio.